Hey guys, welcome you all to life running tutorial. In this video, we're gonna know about maintenance concept in engineering field. So please hang till end of the video. In engineering, maintenance play an important role in smooth functioning of every sort of operation, and most importantly, it enhances the practical knowledge of different mechanical and electronical equipment, manufacturing processes, cause and solution of failures, along with its working and principle. So let's begin. Maintenance. As the word suggests, it is a set of systematic procedures or certain activities that are carried out in order to keep every operating machine and equipment in its usual running or functioning condition. We get assured of resource optimization by overcoming the chance of failure through repairing or replacing the fault after executing different testings. It is subdivided into two major parts. The first is plant maintenance and second is unplanned maintenance. Under plant maintenance, we have preventive, corrective, autonomous, design and proactive maintenance, whereas under unplanned maintenance, we have emergency maintenance and breakdown maintenance. So let's go in detailed explanation. The first one is plant maintenance. This is the type of maintenance activities carried at a defined plant. It detects the correct solution to problem of every facilities or machineries in an organization before the occurrence of sudden failure. Among the different types of plant maintenance, some are carried out at a specific interval and some before the failure occurs. It is subdivided into 5 parts. The first one is preventive maintenance. It is also known as scheduled maintenance. It's like a preventive measures taken on the facilities or machineries by repairing or replacing the deteriorating component at initial stage before it fails. It can be done in two ways. The first way is periodic maintenance. It is also known as time-based maintenance or repetitive maintenance. It can be done on the basis of hourly, daily, weekly, and monthly. The second way is predictive maintenance. It can be done through visualization, vibration, or change in effect of sound. In this, service life of important part is predicted. It involves maintenance of equipment based on change of actual condition. It is also known as running maintenance. Now, the second part is corrective maintenance. As the name suggests, this is the maintenance activities occur to rectify the cause of failure in a machineries or facilities. We repair and replace the damaged part before it takes form of big problem. It reduces the unplanned maintenance. For example, wearing of brake pads may affect the rotor. Fixing it before times can be considered as corrective maintenance. The third type is autonomous maintenance. In these maintenance activities, individual employee or technician can feel owner of the machine on which they are working on, so that they could learn doing maintenance by their own at a small scale to overcome the idle time and save the money. The fourth type is design-out maintenance. It is a modification done on the manufacturing level to stop the failure from occurring. It tends to eliminate entire need of maintenance at very initial stage of operation. As we can see in the image, the fifth type is proactive maintenance. This is the maintenance activities that prevent from repetition of failure of the machineries or equipment by providing immediate corrective action in the first place. Now let's move to our second major types, which is uncertain and unconditional maintenance, that is unplanned maintenance. It is implemented when sudden failure occurred in the absence of planned strategy such as repairing, replacing or inspecting. For example, explosion of transformer in a grid, leakage of steam from boiler or puncture of tire. These all are uncertain and unconditional. It is divided into two subcategories, that is breakdown maintenance and emergency maintenance. Maintenance. It is also known as run to failure maintenance or reactive maintenance. It is implemented when failure doesn't significantly affect the productions. The second one is emergency maintenance. It is a maintenance activities carried out as fast as possible to bring machine or operation at original and efficient working condition. Avoidance of such maintenance can cause hazard to lives and property. Now, let's move to next important topic. Checklist for maintenance. It is a list of different tasks which need to be performed on various machineries or at area of operation through inspection. The inspection can be either of destructive testings or non-destructive testings depending on types of operation or equipment. Such activities are prepared before implementing maintenance tasks. So, it is important for maintenance engineer to ensure machineries and other equipment fault-free before and after every operation or every shiftings. We can see the sample of checklist prepared for PDI, that is pre-delivery inspection, in which we need to inspect the following mentioned items. So, hope you all understand the basic concept of maintenance. If you like my videos, please hit a like and subscribe button. Thank you.